Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. And if you are a part of the foodie family, that means you true to this and you ain't new to this. So welcome back, y'all. This week, I went to Addison, Texas. I went to Hudson House and I started off with their lemon drop, y'all. Lemon drop martini. I put my little spin on it because I'm gonna do a blueberry lemon drop martini. And to eat, I had their lobster roll. So it's summertime, so we're gonna get into this lobster roll with this blueberry lemon drop martini. But go on over to the Hudson House first and then come back over here and I'm gonna show y'all how to do it, all right? Okay.
Tell me now, are you hungry? Looking for something for your tummy? Well, look no further. This chef is got you covered. Cooking at home with Chef Jolie.
It's hot outside, so I ain't gonna stay out here too long. We're at the Hudson House in Addison, Texas, and we're about to go in here and see what's on the menu and what dish that I can come back to my kitchen and meet y'all there. What I'm gonna do to put my spin on it, what cocktail we're gonna shake up, I don't know. We're gonna go in here and find out before I melt. All right, let's go, foodie family. Okay, y'all, this is what I got. I got their signature lemon drop with lemon vodka. I think it has lemon juice, but definitely it has limoncello foam on top. So let's taste it. Ooh, it's the perfect balance of cold, tart, just sweet enough. And I have a very good idea of how I'm going to remix this one. I'm going to do this one a little bit different. So this is going to be messy, I think. So this is the New England Style Lobster Roll with mayo. I don't even know. How do I? Oh, this is good. Just the celery and the chives on top. You see those chives? Gives it just like a perfect bite. It's a little lemony. The bread is warm and buttery. Yeah, we're gonna have fun with this one in the kitchen. So beat me there. Don't meet me there, because I'm gonna show y'all how to make this. This is gonna be perfect for the summer. It's light, it's filling, it's delicious. Okay, y'all, so you saw the lemon drop martini over there at Hudson House. Now let me put my spin on it. We're gonna do a blueberry lemon drop martini, and I'm using my lemon drop martini. I think it was season 2, whatever episode that I made the crab stuffed salmon. Go back and get that recipe there. So now I'm putting in about an ounce of fresh lemon juice. Fresh, okay, you hear me? Fresh lemon juice. And then I am going to, from there, I'm going to put in an ounce of blueberry simple syrup, and I'm gonna have the recipe down in the description. It's just equal parts water, granulated sugar, and you can use fresh or frozen blueberries. I'm gonna let you use some frozen blueberries if you need to. And that's the blueberry simple syrup. Oh, and I also put some lemon juice and some lemon zest in there. So that all is going in. There's 2 ounces of citrus vodka in here, and also half an ounce of triple sec as well. So I'm adding a lot of ice, because a martini has to be ice cold, honey, for it to be good. That's one thing I will say about Hudson House. On their menu, it says the world's coldest martini, and the martini was very, very, very cold, okay? It's just a little bit sweet, and they had that limoncello foam on top that was, you know, it was different. But I think I got one up on them with this blueberry. So we're gonna shake it up. All right, you see how frosty my shaker is? That's how you know it's good. All right, look at that. Gonna go in there. It's that beautiful purple color. I'm gonna do one more thing to add a little razzle dazzle. I have some Prosecco here that I'm just gonna top it off with. It's a little bit of Prosecco, like that. Then the last piece, just like my lemon drop martini that I made in season 2, I'm gonna finish it off with a few dashes of lemon bitters, because that's just gonna take it over the top with the lemon. Then I have some fresh blueberries that I soaked overnight in Prosecco, and then I rolled it in granulated sugar. I'm gonna sit it right there. So before we go into the quality control segment of the show, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. If you haven't yet, I don't even know what you're waiting on. You watching and taking the recipes? Subscribe and turn on your notifications so you know when it's time for us to meet up and drink up. So cheers to you, and let's taste it. Okay. That's that. This is it. This is the one. It's gonna go perfect in the summertime and perfect with our lobster roll that we're about to make next. So come on, y'all. Let's go cook and finish drinking. All right? That's it right there. Oh yeah. Okay, y'all, so let's make this lobster roll super easy, y'all. You know there's 2 different types of lobster rolls. You have the Connecticut style and the New England style. So we're doing the New England style, which calls for mayo. So into this bowl, I'm gonna put my mayo, and you make the dressing, because this is kind of like a lobster salad thing that we're gonna have going on. So you make the dressing first. You don't put everything in the lobster, you make the dressing. So I have my mayo, then I have some lemon zest, y'all. And what I really liked about the lobster roll at Hudson House was that the bread was toasty, buttery, and warm. I really like that. And the lobster was fresh, and the whole lobster salad part was cold, and nice little taste of celery and lemon. So I'm doing it my way. Got the lemon zest, and then I have some lemon pepper that's going in, and I have some celery salt as well that's going in. That lemon pepper, lemon zest, that celery salt is gonna give you that nice little tang. And so when you taste this, if you taste the salad, the dressing mixture, it's gonna taste like it's a little salty and a little lemony, almost like it's too much, but trust me, once you put it with the lobster and the bread, it's gonna be the perfect balance. So we're gonna add a little bit of a dabadooya, about half a, there we go, about half a tablespoon, not a lot, because you want to taste the lobster. Then the last thing I'm gonna add in is the celery. I love the fresh bites of celery that's in there. About 2 tablespoons is what I add. You can add more if you want more. Remember what I always say, trust your gut, not the recipe. So we got everything in there. And I think I'm gonna use my whisk. Oops, we don't. We need the fresh lemon too, because that's gonna give you that liquid that you need for that dressing. There we go. Lots of lemon juice. And now I'm just gonna whisk it up. I'm gonna turn this on because I'm gonna toast the bread. There we go. There we go. All right, so can you see that? That is the dressing right there. And you know what? I am gonna grab another bowl, because I want to be able to control how much of the dressing I put on the lobster. And the lobster I have there, y'all, is about a half a pound, about 8 ounces or so. So I'm gonna put this to the side because I don't want to end up I don't want to overdress it, all right? So here's the lobster right here, and then I'm just gonna put it all inside like that. Okay. Oop. No lobster left behind, child. Put that in there. And then I'm just gonna kind of fold it like this. There you go. And it's best, y'all, you know what? You could eat this right away, but I think that it tastes better if you let the dressing kind of sit on the lobster, maybe for like 30 minutes to an hour. Pop it in the refrigerator. See how that looks? And then I'm gonna put a little bit more because it will start to kind of absorb the mix, and we want it to be nice and moist. Okay, so I got all the ingredients moved to the side because I want y'all to see what I'm about to do with the bread. So that's kind of, the lobster is very important to the lobster roll, but it's 2 words in the name of the dish, lobster and roll. So they both are important. Here's the roll. I got some split top this is a hot dog bun, okay? Split top hot dog buns. And what I'm gonna do, I have a bread knife, serrated knife, and I'm just gonna trim a little bit of this edge off, so when I toast it, you're gonna get that open, free bread for all of that toasty, buttery goodness. And on this side, I'm gonna trim a little bit less. Come on, Jolie, get it together. All right, there we go. There is, now I have some garlic powder, put a little bit of garlic powder in the butter because you can have butter and it can be good, but it can be better if you add garlic to it. That's why we doing that, because it's gonna taste good, all right? So I'm mixing that in, it's just a little bit, you know? And now I'm gonna take my spatula and I'm just gonna slather it with this garlic butter, both sides. And I hope this here cast iron ain't too hot. I hope it's not, it's smoking. We're gonna see. Let's move my drink so it does not become a casualty. Let's see how hot it is. It's hot, so we gotta be careful. So we're just gonna lightly toast each side. Like that. I put a little bit of butter down in there too. And that's it. So I'm gonna toast both sides, and when I come back, I'm gonna put it all together. We're gonna garnish it. We're gonna eat it, okay? So be back to show y'all how delicious it is, all right? Okay. Okay, y'all, so here is the lobster roll, all plated up. Can you see the bread all nice and toasty with that butter and that garlic? And then the last thing I wanna do is garnish. Now, this garnish is not just for prettiness. It's gonna make it pop, but like I said, when I was at Hudson House, these chives just really kind of adds in like a brightness and a nice little bite to the lobster roll. So here we go. I guess y'all want me to taste it. Ooh, I know it's gonna get messy. I'm just gonna taste a little bite. This one right here looks like the perfect bite for me. Here we go, nice and toasty. One more bite because I'm not sure. No, I know I got lobster in my teeth and everything, but this is it. Nice and light for the summer. Perfect complement to the Blueberry Lemon Drop Martini. All the recipes gonna be down in the description. And you know what? Make sure that you comment. Make sure that you like the videos too. And share with your friends, because sharing is caring. And I'll see y'all next time at the next restaurant we go to, okay? All right, see y'all later. Bye.
Tell me now, are you hungry?